got Corvette. My perks set help feel better. Set the trend, I'm a trendsetter. I'm not a rest, still getting cheddar. Out of my wrist, timeless.
What you think? Just got my little brother, he just graduated. Look out him. What you think about the car, man?
My honest opinion about the car.
Here, you take the camera. I'm gonna let you put the camera up there.
It does got a lot of power to it, and the body, it has a nice body too, and the sound to it is amazing.
So I'm just letting him hold the camera. This is his first time sitting in the C6 Corvette. It's the first time seeing it. I mean, what do you think? It looks exotic. What do you think it compares to the other cars I had?
The other cars, I think this is probably the best one.
This one, you like it?
Yes. It's like when you hit second gear.
Oh, yeah. What you think about that Pro Charger? The sound.
Sounds nice.
Sound good. Welcome back to the channel. We're headed to the Chevy dealership. Got to pick up some clips for the Corvette's front bumper. Very common issue right at the corners where the bumper meets the headlights. Those little clips, tabs, they want to break. So it makes the corner of the bumpers pop up a little bit. So I'm headed to the Chevy dealership. I had to Reddit the part numbers, get those clip part numbers. So now I'm gonna go see if I can get those part numbers from over there and get those replaced. It's supposed to be like a little 10 to 15 minute easy replaceable job, but I might just take it to Trans so we can just pull the bumper and look at it and see if anything else needs to be replaced. But other than that, the car's been fine. I can't really promise any crazy content right now or any POV driving, which I thought I was going to be able to do because we got so much rain in the forecast right now. And the Vette does not like rain. Those tires do not like rain. They barely catch traction on dry pavement. So, but yeah, right now it looks like it's going to throw down. I was going to drive the car up here to the dealership, which I should have did. That would have been some good content. So we end up getting our clips from the Chevy dealership. These things are pretty expensive. I was not expecting some clips to be this expensive. These are just like clips that hold the bumper tab together. There's not too much to them. They just kind of keep the corners of the bumpers down. But just for these 4, and then the other 4, they didn't have them here. They have to order them, so I have to come back tomorrow and pick them up. Just for 8 clips, $60. $60.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
For some plastic clips. Come on now. It's a little absurd, but I need them. I don't know anywhere else that I could have got them. Maybe on eBay or Amazon, but I don't know the specific name of those clips or anything like that. So, but I do have them on order now, paid for. Just waiting on that phone call tomorrow. I'm actually going to show you guys the front bumper clips that I was talking about. And of course, you know, I go outside to mess with them, and I was trying to like basically see if I can clip the bumper back on and get the clips to work. And of course, the time that I go do it, it works. And the bumper clips pretty much set smooth and they work, but I can tell the clips are pretty old and they're on their way out. They're not holding the bumper like they're supposed to. So definitely gonna still replace them, but I'll just show you guys a video once I get to the gym of what I'm talking about, where those, ooh, wow, that was almost a wreck right here. Where those clips work, that was crazy. Fucking Mustang was right here, stopped, and there's a car coming this way, and he's trying to turn to the left, and a Charger behind him, impatient, tries to go around him into oncoming lane and about to head on collision to another vehicle. Crazy. But yeah, I'll show you guys the clips when I get to the gym, and hopefully the bumper stays down and doesn't pop back up. If it does, I'll be able to show you guys what I'm talking about.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
made it to the gym, I can kind of show them right here. Right here how the bumper's coming up a little bit. I actually had them sitting flush before I left the house, so I'm guessing just a little some bumps picked them up a little bit, but this one was the worst. It was way up, but now it's much better. So those are the tabs that I'll be having to replace. I got the clips for them, so hopefully that'll work, keep the bumper down. All right, guys, we got that gas station lighting going on. I'm gonna try to get you guys some POV, like 360 footage. That's why we got the camera on the back. Hopefully my setup works. It's a little light in, but best I can do right now because we got all this rain and I don't take the car out that much, so got the camera on the back, as you guys can see it right there. I don't know if it's the best angle, but it's on there. So this clutch is not forgiving either. It's a monster triple disc clutch. You gotta have that goddamn foot to cruise slowly, because if not, it's gonna stall. It's very hard to burn this clutch too. It drives smooth, but on takeoffs and doing anything slow, yeah, it's not forgiving at all. See what I'm saying? And right now it's ready to go. Take it out, we got traffic, man. It's usually kind of clear this way, so it's ridiculous.